Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what immigration lawyers don't want you to know when applying for a visa, an American visa or a green card. Why don't they tell you this? They don't tell you this because the law industry is a multi-billion-dollar business, and if these things that I'm about to tell you get out there and people start like knowing them and trusting the lawyers less, like it will obviously affect their business. So these are the things that lawyers will never tell you. So the first one is, lawyers do not control the outlook of your case. What does this mean? This means that no matter what, at the end of the day, whether you hire a lawyer or not, the institution deciding if the visa is going to be denied or granted is going to be the U.S. government. So no matter what the lawyer does or like how he helps you on filing your petition, it's not up to them to approve your visa. So just keep that in mind. Like, the next thing to notice is that the processing times, like lawyers cannot speed up these processing times no matter what they tell you. If they tell you that by hiring their services you'll be waiting less time than the average person, then that's not true. Processing times are what they are. Like, they take the long time that they take because just like you, there's many people applying for these types of visas or green cards, and obviously there's like a huge line behind you, so it takes a long time because like when you file your petition, it's just gonna go to the end of the line, and the US government still has to process all of those like visas and green cards before you, so that's why it takes a long time. And no matter what the lawyer tells you, they cannot speed up these processing times. So you're just gonna have to wait like everyone else does. They're just being fair with the system, so don't worry about it. Like, it is what it is, and you're just gonna have to wait it out. Another thing lawyers don't want you to know is that all the information available in order to apply for the American visas or green cards is online. Like, all this information is available on the USCIS website, the Immigration Services website, and in this website you will find information about the requirements on the type of visa you need to like apply for, or like the green card. You will find instructions on how to do it. You will find the things that they tell you you should do, that you shouldn't do. You will find out about the processing times as well. You will find out about the fees too. Why do they have fees when filing for visas or petition? They have fees because they have employees that need to process the petition of the visas or the green cards. So those filing fees are the fees that make it possible for the U.S. government to approve all these cases, so that's why they have all their fees. But all the information is available online. Lawyers will never tell you this, but it's always like free. It will always be, and I'm gonna leave the link below on the website where you can find all of this information. Another thing lawyers will never tell you is that you can apply for the visa or the green card on your own. You don't need a special degree or a law certificate in order to apply for a visa. So no matter what they're telling you that them saying that their help is needed in order to apply successfully for a visa or a green card, that's not true. You can do it yourself. Like I said, all the information is available online, and you don't need like a superpower or any kind of degree in order to apply for this. You just need to like fulfill the requirements needed in order to apply for the visa or a green card, and just be honest about your past and what the U.S. government is asking you. Another thing lawyers don't tell you is that even if you hire them, you're still gonna have to do the work, like collecting all the documents or the supporting evidence that will be needed for your case. What is like this work you're talking about? I'm talking about all the evidence you're gonna need to send in order to support your case or your visa or green card. The U.S. government is going to ask you for information. So that can be pictures, that can be information about your work, that can be plane tickets, that can mean you filling out certain forms. So like all that information, you're still going to have to provide to the lawyer. So even if you're hiring someone, you're still going to have to do the work. So just keep that in mind as well. Another thing lawyers don't tell you or don't like to talk about are the fees. If you are thinking about hiring a lawyer, you've probably heard about like the hourly fees or the initial fees even before like they help you with your case. So they're never transparent about these costs, and I want you to know that you can also like negotiate on whatever price they're telling you. If you're trying to hire a lawyer, like you should always negotiate with them because they can lower their prices. So just make sure to do that, and make sure to negotiate on the price in the beginning, because the visa process itself can already be a little expensive. So adding the lawyer costs at the end of the day will definitely increase and take a hit on your budget or finances. So just make sure to talk about the prices as well. Another thing lawyers will never tell you is that they make mistakes as well. Just like if you did it or I did it, like we can all make mistakes, but why not do it on your own? Like learn about the process, learn about the requirements, and like how on the instructions on how to apply for an American visa or a green card, and do it yourself. And then if you make a mistake, then it was on your responsibility, like, and not on the lawyer. Like lawyers also make mistakes, and hiring them does not guarantee that you will get your visa in a faster way or in a successful way. They're still going to charge you for their services, and I just wanted to tell you guys that you can apply for this visa on your own. I did it, I successfully applied. You can do it, like I said, all the information is online. And I want to make this video, I decided to make this video to let everyone know about this. And if you have any questions or comments below, leave them down below. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, because this is what helps me keep the channel going. And I'm doing this in order to help everyone all around the world to apply for their visas, and to teach them that they can do it on their own, to not worry about lawyers. It's not necessary. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.